here. I water. I will always have some ducks.
All the friends are coming.
When?
Yeah, look. Here. No, don't take the whole bag. Here, just take a few and throw them.
Okay.
Okay.
I want to go down.
See? Where are they going?
Where go? A water. I swim in the water.
They're swimming in the water. Are you happy? Say hi.
Hi. Where? That's a duck.
There's a duck. He's still down there. You see him? Ty, you gotta throw it farther. They're not gonna get it. See? Oh, maybe he's gonna come up. See? Oh, look at, they're making lots of noise.
What's the noise?
I think they're fighting over it. We're almost out of bread. Look, here's one coming. See? Look. Tell you, look. See? Say hi.
Hi.
Look, he's eating.
Uh-oh. Where go? Come on.
Tell you, look. Look over here. Look. See? Come sit with Mommy. See, he's eating them. Look. Watch him. See? You see him go in his mouth?
Wow. A baby duck.
It is a baby duck.
I want to see baby duck.
You want to share some with the baby duck?
Ew.
Taya, you're not throwing them far enough. All gone. See, here, ducks.
Baby duck. We want to hold him?
No, you can't hold them.
Huh?
You can't hold them.
Oops. Where'd it go?
He's right here. See?
Oops. Where'd it go?
He's right there.
Duck! 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 Quack, quack, quack.
You see them eating all the bread? Talk to the geese.
Kong Kong! A fishy. Look at the duck. Look at bread.
I don't have any more bread. It's all gone. See? It's all gone. There's no more.
No more?
No.
Oh, look. There's the water.
Mm-hmm.
We want to see it.